Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do archery at our club. It is our club shoot that we hold every fortnight. It's a really fun experience. It's very similar to an ASA event where we have to guess the ranges, and we have to guess, try and shoot and hit. We've got a 3-zone system where you can either shoot an A, B or a C, and you get 3 arrows at each one. First scoring arrow, you stop. But I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me today, and we're gonna have some fun doing it. So let's go. Just helped finish setting up the range. We just have a few things that we got to do in the morning, but we're just heading up to the range. I'm just going to shoot my bow, see if it's all sighted in still, and hopefully we have a pretty good result today. So
it's the slowest one today.
Right, we're going.
Taking
best part of my week.
Taking his time.
Let's get into it. We starting on target 1?
Yep.
Oh, is that in his neck?
It's in his, almost in his snout, mate. It's just below his ear. Oh, that's cool. Always gets me. It's a little bit longer than I
Get
think.
you again today?
No, not today.
Yep, Franco.
1A. Just. I
Alright.
think I missed the other one too. I'm not allowed to rangefind it, but we're allowed to use binos. Nicola's having a shot. Nice.
Bullseye.
Where do I hit this other one now?
Where see the dot on the deer? Just there.
If you can't see.
The dot on the deer.
I'm just gonna go where I think it is.
Where this hunting shot. Just here.
You said hunting.
Yeah, it's zone.
We've got the 3D beaver coming up there. Or whatever. I think it's a beaver.
How much wood can we chuck up?
I don't know.
3 inches.
3.
Handle on the back.
You got what?
Handle on the back.
I've got to be a bit careful then.
We're a bit far back. Scared.
Scared.
Our little beaver is praying to the gods.
Release Brian.
You were right behind.
I know.
Oh, look, you're too far.
That's why I used my binos before. So
Nicola.
Nicola got an A.
Yep. Franco.
A. Center punched him. I like it. Alright, we are 5 targets in. Lots of mosquitoes. We've got a few really close targets, but they're really small. Alright, we got Nicola on the cat.
I think she was young.
You can't even see the target. There it is. Oh, we got a 3D target here as well. Nice shot. How did that feel?
Alright.
It was a
Could
good
have
shot.
gone a little bit higher and to the right.
Oh well. Good luck. I reckon it's about 20 meters.
I've made it look for you.
You got it right in the football there. Right, looks like it aids right above his shoulder, front shoulder. Let's have a look and see if I can do it. A bit low.
You did fishing.
Grandpa. Fishing with Grandpa.
Yeah.
We can do your channel, Archery with Grandpa.
Did you see that? Archery with Grandpa?
Fishing.
Went from like 3 people to 700,000 in a couple of days.
What?
I didn't think it was that.
Really?
Yeah, no, he's
It's like a peccary, whatever they're
Little-
called.
Looks like
Little
a little
pig thing.
piggy.
Oh, the mozzies are bad.
Happy days, Nicola. Hey. Mark. Hey.
Got to get the footing. Stable ground. Hecklers in the back. How many targets left, Nicola?
This one's number 14.
So we've got six
Six
left.
to go.
We've got some really steep downhill ones coming up. Now, for these ones, Nicola, you want to aim lower than what you want to hit. So top pin, lower.
That'll do.
So for this one, Franco,
Yeah.
you want to aim lower than where you're wanting to go. Because it's downhill.
Steep downhill, lower you reckon?
Lower.
Okay, I'll try to aim a bit lower.
No pressure. That's too high.
I swear we got 3 of these same pigs.
Yeah.
Hate these pigs.
Now, Franco, you'll want to go a little bit low on this one because it's also a downhill shot.
how'd you go, Franco?
Mosquito bite my neck.
That was just me.
He reckons he was robbed. He was clearly in the B, if you ask me. Alright, we've got the real downhill one here. Look, I think I've broken the line there. Just made it in.
That was actually not bad.
Alright, so this is the goat that we had to find that nobody knew where it was. You can see it up there. Oh, a bit shaky. Had a few people shoot it. Oh. Got it.
To see at least.
This is our little uphill billy
I'm
goat.
gonna go over here because I'm gonna shoot some of Darrow out of it. Stairway to heaven, Nicola. The dreaded rabbit. Inside, turn like that. The dreaded stairway to heaven, because it sucks getting up here. What's the verdict? Mark's not going to be happy. I robbed him. This target butt eats arrows. You're not too careful, if you hit the soft spot, it's right underneath it. It will just eat it, and then you got to try cut it out. It sucks. All right, Nicola, get this pygmy, whatever it is. It's a pygmy hippopotamus. Ah.
That'll do.
You like that? Look at this shot. That's impressive. That's impressive. About 30 meters away. And put one right in your shoulder. That's low. We'll find out about that one. That was very low. What a terrible...
That's horse shit.
I know. Good thing we shot more targets, hey?
No, we didn't.
We did, we shot an extra one. Okay, so we just finished shooting. We did our 20 targets. I'm extremely hungry. We're just walking back, but we have to put these shade cloths over the targets. So we're just going back through and covering them up so people during the week don't see them. But yeah, it was a good shoot today. I really had a good time. I like the people we're shooting with. That always makes it really fun. The filming made it a bit hard because I normally struggle to try and divide my attention between filming and shooting. But thankfully Nicola really came through on that one today. She did a lot of the filming, which I'm really thankful for. So yeah, it was a really fun shoot. I had a really good time. We're gonna go back, get the barbecue because they got burgers on today. Yeah, and I'll see you guys back in the car. So we just finished up. We just finished packing up now. Just leaving the range. We had a really good shoot today. It was probably the hottest morning I felt down there. There was no air movement at all underneath the canopy there. It was just extremely humid. Everyone was soaked in sweat. It was really fun. Had a really good time. I ended up with a score of 390 out of a possible 400, which I'm really stoked with. I didn't feel like I shot that well, but yeah, the score seemed to show otherwise, which is kind of cool. But that is our fortnightly archery shoots. It's a pretty fun little shoot. I really enjoy doing it, and I think it's going to get more and more popular, especially around the area we live. But yeah, I think it's lots of fun, and we had a good time, and what more can you ask for? So thanks for coming along, guys. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.